The next standard in biology is, again, about cells. To compare the structures and functions of plant and animal cells, including major organelles, cell membrane, cell wall, nucleus, chloroplast, mitochondria, and vacuoles. Now, if you turn to your notebook on page 18, you should have already done some drawings of plant, animal, and prokaryotic cells. So that's on page 18. Why don't you look there and see if you've got it? If not, you're going to have some drawing to do. Now, this doesn't have a lot of words, so you're going to be happy with me. It says all living things are made up of cells, and cells are almost always microscopic. The one that I think about that is not microscopic is an egg, in that you have all of the parts of a cell, but it is not microscopic. This should look familiar to you. You really do need to have these drawn. If they're not in 18, you can put them in the back where you're taking notes now. But you need to be able to identify all of the different organelles, and you're going to need to be able to tell what their functions are. Now, I want to jog your memory a little bit. Do you remember we did the metaphorical cell activity, where you decided what thing in real life did the same job as an organelle in a cell? Some of you put things like refrigerators for vacuoles. Some of you put like a game controller for the nucleus. Some of you put the brain for the nucleus. There were all different things, so I want you to think back to that. I do have in a folder over there all of your metaphorical cells that you turned in, so it might jog your memory. If you want to see those, I can get those out for you, or I can show you how to get them out, but that's something I really want you to remember, is all the different functions of the organelles. Got it? Great. Oh, one more thing. You need to know the difference between plant and animal cells, and the biggest difference is plant cells have a cell wall, and they also have the chloroplasts. Those are the two biggest differences that we're looking at between the two eukaryotic cells. Now, a prokaryotic cell, that was a simple cell, only had a few things in it. This is the most important thing. A prokaryotic cell would have ribosomes, a nuclear region, and perhaps a cell wall, but that's really it. Come talk to me if you have questions. Hope this jogs your memory.